So here we go. William's little short reels, stepping out of his £5 car with his scooter in the background, thinking he's a total wigger. Don't know what is going on in his head, probably midlife crisis. Let's get for that turn around with the dusting of the hands. Here it comes. Dust those the haters off, boy. Yeah. What's that? Spec shit in my shoe? Better to inspect that, not before pulling up my trousers so you can see my bulge. Yeah, dust it off. Let's spec that. Oh, there we go. That's the shit. Oh, smell my hand later. Time to walk off. Slow-mo.